Hi guys, welcome to my new video. Today we're gonna be playing a game I found on Roblox. It's called One Tap. Okay, wait a minute. Let me fix my hair real quick. Color correction. No color filter. Feel like this is better. Yeah. Okay. Let's join up. I wanna show y'all something real quick. It's still very wrong. Now, look at this. I finally got my first flying gear. Because remember that radioactive slap? I found someone that was actually dumb enough in the trade plaza to trade with me. I gave the radioactive slap and he gave the witch broom. And I also got the gingerbread base. Okay, wait a minute. Is that the actual PMR? Or just lop? Is actually PMR or is it a lop? Okay, it isn't. Okay, now let's do it. Where's the game? No, it's not rivals. What is it? Where is it? Oh, here it is. One tap, one tap, one tap. Okay, we gonna start. Let's start it off. Let me claim this. Let's join out. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. I can't. Open now. Go. Seriously, that dumb bacon. That bacon only relies on the knife. Wait a minute. Kill shake. Wait a minute. Okay. Let's continue. You ain't killing me. Midair. Okay, wait a minute. Let me open my inventory. Let me check. Internal furry. Okay. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I don't remember. Oh, oh, a new knife. A new knife. Alright, thanks. I might equip it. On a secondary. The mythic one. The primary. I'm gonna go on hunting rifle. I'll go dark matter. Yeah, this is cool. Yeah, this is the new one. This is the new one that I got. I'm gonna use this. Let me try out the knife. We'll try it out the knife. Actually good. This kid still uses the base knife. Midair. You ain't kidding me. So, I have a message to the bacon that's trying to kill me right now. You won't do it. I'm gonna use the knife. Okay. Wait a minute, let me fix my camera. Okay. That bacon. That bacon. Oh, I killed him and he killed me. Damn. Just bacon. He shielded me. Oh my. After this game, I'ma server hop a little, and then I'ma go back to the city. Or no, I'ma start a shift in Animal Hospital. After after this match, I'ma go server hop a little, and then I'ma start a shift in Animal Hospital. Oh, how did I kill him, bro? Seriously, the bacon killed me. The bacon. Stop back here. Oh, thank you for the free kills. Thank you for the free games. How did that though? Bacon. How did that bacon kill me? Oh my gosh. Informant, I'm gonna go steal Rayon. Let me get to this back kid. How did the bacon kill him? How? Someone tell me how did he do it? Let me kill Bobushka. Oh, he already died. The iPad kid. Guys, I know that they're bots. I know that some of them are bots. That Fear Blocks is a bot. The camera. I know that the Fear Box is bot. The Bodu Guska the Winneka is a bot, and Foreign GH, I think that was the user. It's a bacon, and he's also a bot. Let me kill. Kill streak. My kill streak ain't getting ruined by. I'm gonna, this time I'm gonna try to make the craziest kill streak. This bacon. Oh, come on, I need to kill that iPad kid. How did that bacon girl kill me? At least the guy that killed me got killed. This! Oh, I killed him! No, that. Oh, how did I kill him? Seriously? What the fuck are you doing? That dumb bot. It's just keyboard spam. Keyboard spam. That's what it is. This not right. After 21 kills. Damn, that's good. Let me try to duel someone. I'm gonna connect duel myself. Okay, 30 seconds left. Oh my gosh. Get the. Wait a minute. Okay, we are about. You, one, let's go. Oh, okay. We're going to steal our brain raw. Oh, okay. We're gonna go to steal our brain road. Okay, here we are. Imagine we actually get something crazy, bro. Oh, it's the crystal. Oh my gosh. Bro, he's actually in my best interest to do this. What's he gonna get? If he actually gets the Bandito, get the heck out of here! Actually, he's actually dumb. That iPad kid is actually dumb. He's the dumbest kid I've ever seen. Bro, why are you placing the trap? You could have used it to protect your base, not to place it right in front of me. What does this guy get? Bro, bro, I would do. I know it's a bad trade. Is he actually dumb? Was he dropped on a head as a baby or what? This is clearly a W for him. Okay. Wait a minute, let me show you real quick what I'm giving this Los Arenas. Okay, so he isn't dropped on the head. And he's actually smart. And took the trade. Wait a minute, let me fix the camera. Okay, cause okay, wait guys, I'm gonna come back real quick. I'm gonna come back. I'm back. Okay. Adjust my camera. I'm gonna do like 5 more servers and I'm gonna go to Animal Hospital. One. This is the first server that I'm doing. From the 5. From the Jackson 5. Oh, wait a minute. How? Do I still have a spin? Wait a minute. How? Someone tell me how. Is the game glitched? Imagine. I have! Again! Imagine. I don't actually care. You can get it. Okay, I don't have any more. Wait a minute. Is this guy dumb enough to accept the trade of gingerbread base for his son? Nah, he left. Four server? Four server? Okay, this is the last server. Last server. Is there anything good in here? I won't even go to Animal Hospital. This kid really trying to be cool. And he left. Is there something in here? Okay, I'm gonna just go to Animal Hospital. Here it is. I'm going. Let me start the shift. Wait a minute, why is it why here starting now? Okay, here it is. We load it in. Where's doors? Okay, we already have a visitor. Here it is. Yo, what's up? Okay, I'm gonna try and speed run this because it's um the first in the first shift there are a lot of anomalies. I'm gonna speed run this. Wait a minute, the camera. To check it. Here, let me actually check the camera. Cam's offline. I'll speed run this. on. I'm waiting to take your hand. Okay, someone else came. Let me real quick sample. I'm gonna try and guess. Dried eyes. Try and guess. Dried eyes and Canadian. Stomachache. Herbs. Herbs. Here it is. Herbs. Okay, now let me go. Checking the other guy. Welcome, dear. What's taking you so long? That's actually getting annoying. Okay, we go train room 2. Okay. Here he is. I'm gonna treat y'all good, my man. I'm gonna treat y'all good. Dry ice, okay. I dropped. So I'm gonna try and memorize in the first shift. The first two patients need the the first one needs herbs and the other one dried eye and the whatever. Oh, the other one needs the. Why am I so dumb? Oh my gosh, the eye drops. Hi, hello. Hi, hello. What's up? What's up? What's up, broski? Since you're the doctor, why don't you work here? Why don't you come when my shift? Why don't you come with my shift ends? Oh, he's night shift. He's on night shift. No, he's on day shift. Okay, no, no, let me. Okay, check. Okay, they're actually working. Oh, $63. $63. Let's check here. Oh no, seriously, the first one is an anomaly. Wait a minute, let me show you. He's twitching and he's black. He's twitching and he's a. I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna be racist. Oh my gosh. He was twitching and he was black. Hello, 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 stacking. First two are seriously unbelievable. A casual Karen. Unbelievable. You're a casual Karen. Hi, Broski. Let me check. Okay, on the cameras, there's nothing. I have an appointment. Let me check you by the camera. Let me check you with the camera. Let me check by the photo. Okay, you're not an anomaly. Okay. Only two more patients. Wait a minute. Let me grab some coffee. Oh, come on. You seriously think that I'm gonna treat you? You have black eyes. And he's twitching. Let me check by the camera. And he's watching the cameras. Oh my gosh. It's obvious that he's an anomaly. He's an anomaly. And another one. I think this is the one that will come and bang on my windows. Yeah, this is the one. Let me get him out of here. Hi, please get the fuck out of here. Hi. Fuck headbanger. You discovered headbanger. And he's watching me while he's sleeping. Oh my god. He's watching me. Bye. He doesn't have a clear photo. Let me change the camera. No, he's not. He's not. That's actually pretty good. Okay, only one more patient. Oh my god. He has shallow eyes. He has shallow eyes. Hey, what's up? You ain't getting into my house. And he's cursed all the cameras. Seriously? What? You're an anomaly. You're not getting in. What the fuck do you mean what? What the fuck do you mean by what? You're an anomaly. You ain't getting in. You ain't getting in. The fuck you mean what? Oh. How many anomalies am I going to see this shift? You ain't getting in. Are you serious? Oh yeah, I'm turning you away. You're an anomaly. Okay, might be a nice. Okay, on the cameras there's nothing. Rusty Barker. Rusty Nicker 40. Rusty Nicker 40. Check. Okay. Not an anomaly. Okay, now let me go treat him. Okay, treat patients. Treat patients. Okay. I'm gonna treat them real quick. Wait a minute. Let me grab drops. What? What did the actual fuck do you mean by stalker? I'm looking up. Wait a minute. Let me check. There's any. What? Can I? No, I can't revive one fast. Okay, there's coffee. There's coffee. Thank God there's coffee. I can regenerate my stat. Here. Now we can look at him. You completed eye drops for eye monster. Action needed. Okay, ration bleeding. Ointment and better than bandages. Let me check if there's anything cursed and just absolutely nothing cursed. Check what he needs. Okay, Dread Eyes. I thought I saw. I don't know. You're right. Eye drops. I'm trying to guess. Wait a minute. The camera. Okay. I'm gonna try and guess. Canadian? I'm gonna try and guess what he needs. Maple syrup and ivy drops. Yeah. Let's check. Oh, medicine. He needs medicine. Okay, the doctor's right. Dr. Harlow. What's up, my fella? What the fuck you doing there? What's up, broski? Barosk. Thank you, bro. Oh, okay. Now we're talking. Let me buy something. I'm gonna buy something to increase my sanity. Because I'm only 22. I'm 22. Bye. I get my money. Okay, $100. $100. Uh, okay, that's pretty good. What? Okay, okay. Ain't no money. It's still recovering my sanity. And I would grab some coffee for extra sanity. It's still recovering. I'm gonna take 2 sips. The last one, when Barney comes. Okay, I recovered my sanity. Okay. Okay, you ain't an anomaly. Okay, it stopped recovering. That means it actually helps. Okay, chlorophyll test I think did. You know what actually? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I'm not gonna bring him there. I'll bring him here. You completed no one will know. Someone glooped. Who glooped? Let's get through my aggro. Okay, I'll make everything normally. Yoint. You know what? Okay, Rafi. What are you looking at me? It's actually looking at me. On the cameras. Hi, Rafi. Want some coffee? Wait, the camera. It's a dangerous job. Dangerous! Oh, the cat is so dangerous! Okay. One more patient. Go to room 7. Go to room 7. Nephew. It's actually funny! You actually think I'm gonna let you in. Imita Kishaki. Imita Kishaki. You ain't getting in. Let me check the cameras. You ain't getting in. Rejected? Me? Oh yeah, you! Cause you're a fucking anomaly. I think you ain't an anomaly. Let me check out the cameras. Okay. Ain't no anomaly on the cameras. Let's check by the photo. Let's check. Wait. Let me actually check carefully. Yeah, you ain't. No. Read the remaining information. Is that okay? I must start by. Let's start by here. Okay. Ointment and I know what. Wait, can I give him coffee? No, I cannot. Can I give him coffee? Okay. I think there was something. I heard something. I heard something. I know I heard something. I know I heard something. Actually, I'm a. I'm gonna stop the video after I complete these two patients because I'm gonna do this and drink my coffee. Cause there ain't nobody coming. We're closing. We're closing. We're bankrupted. It'll close and there's nobody. Nobody ain't coming. Nobody ain't coming. Ointment? Coffee. Why am I saying cough sugar and cough drops sometimes? This? This? Medicine. Okay. The last patient. Don't look up like something's going to happen to me. Like, look it up. They drop some maple syrup in medicine. Yeah, the right stuff. They seem unstable. Like I'm scared of that. Okay, I get it. I get it. I know I used them. Okay. I'm, I'm, no, I don't have enough money. Okay. Let me join real quick for the outro. Oh, come on, you're ruining everything. That iPad kid ruined everything. No, it's not exactly 40 minutes because of that iPad kid. Okay, guys. guys, this was the video. If you liked it, like and subscribe. And see y'all soon in the next video. Bye.